Hi everybody, wanted to welcome you to 1283 South Vine Street in Wash Park. Single family home, come on in with me. It's actually a great house for people who are working from home because it has a lot of different sections and levels, which is perfect if you have two people working from home needing help. You start walking in, grand living room, fabulous gas fireplace. You have a half bath on the main floor. And then it's a European style floor plan. You have a small set of stairs going down to your remodeled and beautiful kitchen with a large pantry, great gas range, perfect TV and dining room setup. Then we'll go head downstairs before we hit upstairs. A few more stairs down. You have 2 bedrooms and a full bathroom. Full bath, which has been redone and remodeled. 2 bedrooms. He has 1 guest and 1 for his workout room. Go down a few more stairs. You've got a great family room. It's garden level, which is great. Also, would be a perfect office spot for someone working from home. You have nice big storage over there. Also, there's speakers throughout the house, so you can play music throughout the home on your phone. And from the main level, when you go upstairs, you have a great master bedroom. Vaulted ceiling, ceiling fan. I love the outdoor deck. And you have a nice 5-piece master bath with a huge walk-in closet. I would drool over this closet. But I think one of the best parts, we'll check it out over here, is the backyard. It's on a large lot that he's professionally landscaped, but you have a detached 3-car garage, and that is so rare in Wash Park. But I love the flagstone. It's got Trane AC, newer HVAC, newer roof. It's a great buy. You should come see me this Saturday and have champagne. I'll be here from 1 to 3.